Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. So here we go with another beautiful, easy recipe that is perfect for Christmas. These are my prawns in blankets. So we're using raw black tiger prawns. Obviously you can use whichever ones you can get hold of. And now what I want to do is wrap them up. So I want to cut this into sort of strips so that we can use this. Doesn't matter if it falls apart a little bit. Use this separately for wrapping. You can use streaky bacon for this if you want to. Cooking time will change slightly if you use that because obviously it is that bit thicker. Raw prawns, here we go. Here's my little friend here that I have got. These are pretty big. These are tiger prawns, so they are really looking very delicious. So once you've got your prawn out of its shell, we need to then wrap it up. So wrap the best you can like this, so that it's got that lovely outside. If you need a little bit more, then just wrap a little bit more until you've got them all done like this. And these are absolutely perfect for dipping. If you can get your prawns already out of the shell, then do that because it's going to make it a lot easier. I'm just heating up some olive oil in the bottom of the pot here on Sear and Sauté. These are really quite simple. Here are my prawns covered and wrapped up like little babies, my prawns in blankets. And all we need to do is just cook those. Here we go, prawn number one. They're gonna sizzle. And we want to get that flesh nice and pink and cooked. You can cook as many of these in one go as you can fit and you like. Prawns are nicely cooked. I'm just going to dip them in a little bit of smoked paprika on one side. And they look absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. Stunning. They're nice and crispy on the outside, but they're nice and tender in the middle, which is perfect because that's exactly as we want them. They're just something a little bit different. Obviously, you could serve these as a starter if you didn't want them to be party food. They're going to work well just as a little nibble with a glass of something fizzy maybe. Last few here to go. A little bit of smoked paprika is just really, really nice on these. And this is the last one. Here they are, ready to serve, my little gorgeous prawns in blankets. So juicy, crispy on the outside and glossy. And I've made a little sauce here to go with them. And that full recipe is in my brand new cookbook. go and get yourself a copy at www.susannahskitchen.uk.